Machos 34-46. Let's go. We're going to randomize this list of teams 5 times. A team on top at the end will go to person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to person spot 30. It's pretty simple. Here we go. Machos 34-46. Let's go. Oh, that's strange. Here we go. I've never heard of that before, Dubs, honestly. 5 times. Good luck to all. For Machos, longest running weekly group break of all time, 1. Jeez, only 1 pack left in this one. 2, 3, 4, and 5. The top team is the Heat. Bottom team is the Mavs. That's 5 times. Let's go. 5 times. We'll get rid of the list right here. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. And let's do this thing. Machos, as we said, the longest running weekly group break of all time. I don't know if there's any longer. I doubt it. Alrighty, here we go. Something nice in there. Zach Levine, Eric Paschal, DeAndre Hunter, a majestic purple to 49 of Goga Batadze, a flux of DeAndre Hunter for the Hawks, a blue Prism optic update of Andre Drummond for the Cavs, Kendrick Nunn Essentials for the Heat, and a Rui Hachimura marquee. So yeah, Grayson's been doing Machos as long as I've known Cherry. Blue, Wyden and Gomez. I want to go, yes, this way. Blue, Wyden and Gomez, Jarvis Ramsey, Alexei Pokuševski. A lights, camera, action of Jason Tatum, Isaac Okoro, Isaiah Stewart. Luka base. Blue, Aaron Burns, Jordan Nwora, and Jalen Smith. A jersey swap of Hero and Washington. Danny Avdia on Yeko Kongwu. Alexei Pokuševski arriving now. Saban Lee, Jaden McDaniels. A jersey of Cole Anthony, Rise and Shine. A slam of Damian Lillard. Vernon Carey, Zeke Naji. Frequent flyers of Ja Morant, James Wiseman, Kira Lewis Jr. A purple Christian Wood. Precious and Leandro Balmaro. Lights, camera, action, Joel Embiid, Tyrell Terry, and RJ Hampton. Hollow vanity plates of Siakam. Nick Richards, Kenny Martin. He is out on his feet. You got to be joking me. LeBron James vanity plate. Nice. Elijah Hughes and CJ Ellaby. Don Russ up next. Saddiq Bey, Great Expectations. Denny Avdia on Yeko Kongwu. A jersey, nice. Devin Booker for the Suns. Rudy Gobert, Grant Riller, CJ Ellaby. Luka base. James Harden complete players. Nico Mannion, Xavier Tillman. Nah, Josh, I've pushed that till Tuesday, man. I need to go home at this point. Josh Green, orange, rated rookie for the Mavs. Desmond Byrne, Emmanuel quickly. An orange, Jonas Valanciunas, orange laser. Zeke Naji and Static Bay. Orange, Miles Bridges, Aaron Nesmith, and Killian Hayes. Steph Curry franchise features, Patrick Williams and Cassius Winston. LeBron base. Great expectations of Denny Avdia, Nick Richards, and Trey Jones. A LeBron James league leaders, Daniel Turu, Jaden McDaniels. Trey Young complete players, Caleb Martin and Precious. Franchise features Zach LaVine and Cole Anthony and Tyrese Halliburton. Yes, it is. There's no way that bloke was not knocked out. Here we go. Sexton, Brown, Booker. Bam Adebayo, number 2, 149. A jersey of Dorian Finney-Smith, Art Nouveau. To 149, Static Bay for the Pistons. Fresh paint, auto, nice. Works in progress, Emmanuel quickly. Points in the paint. Sorry, that goes there. Porzingis. Rookies 2 of Grant Riller. And a rookies 1 of Pokuševski. Butler, Collins, Giannis. A Ruby, Devin Booker, numbered 141 or 149. A jersey of Dorian Finney-Smith. And the next one is nice for the Bulls. Heir apparent Patrick Williams. That is very nice. Congratulations to the Bulls. And for the Hornets, LaMelo Ball, works in progress. Nikola Jokic, points in the paint. Josh Green, rookies 2. And a Precious rookie 1. They're both done. Here we go. Contenders is the final box. Let's get something Gucci. Nice winning tickets. Sorry, lottery tickets of Anthony Edwards. Tyrese Maxey, Rookie of the Year. Sweet Shot, Steph Curry. Nice LaMelo Ball winning lottery tickets. Who's got the Hornets? Because they started to clean up a little bit here. The Charlotte Hornets in spot 16 to Angus Collins. He's picked up a nice couple of cards. He was in the chat earlier. Is he still here? Jimmy P is 100% correct there. Aiden, we don't really have time for personal tonight. Sorry, that is Zion base. And Prism Premium Auto rookie ticket, Jamius Ramsey. There's no personals on tonight. Sorry, man. I am absolutely ruined. I don't know how I'm still even... Oh, redemption. Will it be redemption for the entire product? Let's go. Rookie season ticket. Card 132. Cassius Stanley. Big cash. Winning a lottery ticket of Onyeka Kongwu. I don't know why I keep calling it winning ticket, because it's not that. That's different. Sweet shots of Kyle Lowry. Oh, that's a shit bounce. Saddiq Bey, Rookie of the Year contenders. Should be just 3 packs to go. Anthony Davis, superstar for the Lakers. Jeez, I haven't seen one in any of the boxes we've done tonight. Nice one there for the Lakers. Not too sure, Alistair. They kind of don't announce it. Semi-final ticket to 99 of Kyle Lowry. And then the final one. Here we go. 3430 has happened, yes. And the finals ticket to 49 of Kobe White. Congratulations to the Bulls, who ended up coming home very strong there. And that is Machos 34-36. 34